My people, not be small thing, no be small wahala. They say wahala be like bicycle, not be small matter. I know say most of una know this man of God. Ele na Prophet Dr. Emeka. Oh no, no be small news. Now the trend though concerning this man of God though, my people. No be small matter. He loud, where the thing loud. Before I will go straight to the point of this matter, I first greet Una. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time when you take across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. My people not be smart thing. I know say most of una know this man of God well. The news when they trend concerning this man of God, they say this man of God not there again. Who say this man of God don't buy, he don't delete, go meet him, Papa God, he don't be RIP. I say what is going on? Wetin can they happen? My people not be smart, you know. They think when they go viral, say this man don't delete like that. I say how true is this? I be this thing a false news. Wetin can they happen for social media? Waiting, my people not be smart, you know. Now, as I dey talk to una, Prophetess Grace don't come out, come debunk the news. Say this man not delete. Say this man they alive. Say nothing do to this man. Say he dey kampe. Say he dey okay. He not be RIP. He not delete. He not buy. My people, men are listening to waiting Prophetess Grace come right concerning this man of God. Prophetess Grace talk say my brother cannot buy. We the children of Omoto don't buy just like that. Please, my families, pray for him. It's not buy, it's not delete. He say may they pray for this man of God though. Say nothing go happen to Omoto children. Say nothing go happen to them. Say they not they buy. They know they buy at all. May they pray for Prophet Emeka or no. Say he not buy, he not delete. Go meet him. Papa God say he they can't pay. Say the news when they trend. Say na false news. Say not be true. Say this man of God say he they alive. Nothing happened to Prophet Dr. Emeka or no. Say he they can't pay. May they pray for this man of God. Well. May they pray for him well. Wait, so how person go just wake up? He go tag person, say the person not there again, say you don't be RIP. So person go just wake up, tag say person don't be RIP. You not too good though, you know. For this life, nobody go remain on this earth, on this life. So when we die, one day everybody go buy now. So you just be nobody go remain forever for this life. So when we die. Live this life now short life now we did so nobody go remain forever. How person go just wake up no matter what when the person they talk about you, they tell you say you be this, they castigate you, they talk different thing about you, forget about it. No wish your fellow woman be say he don't buy, he don't delete. No matter what, this person when do this man of God this thing, that person not be smart, or that person joro shira mili jowella. How person go just wake up? He tax say person not there again. This one really loud though. This one loud. Haba. Say this man not there again. Say this man don't buy. Say this man don't go meet his Papa God. Hey, wahala be like bicycle. Social media wahala. No be smart and I did this social media. No, who not fear social media? You know say, you know say, I don't know as I want to put on. You know say, this life I say deep. Social media. They just tag say this man not there again. Say Prophet Emeka no there again. He don't delete. Oh, God, say, God, have mercy on us. Have mercy everything when they happen because we don't know what we are doing. Have mercy because we don't know what we are doing. We are really doing, you know. Have mercy. Wait it be this one. Because we just wake up, say, this man of God, say he don't delete. He don't go meet Papa God. People when they do this thing, bad. You're not too good though. You're not too good, you know. And I see many people when they tag, you know, rest in peace. Say this person don't delete. He don't buy. Even a Destiny article. Even Bobo. Ake and Popo. I mean, even a Kanayo. Different people. People when they do this thing. Normally, this thing not good, honestly. It's not good, it's not good. How you go just wake up in the morning, you tag say person don't buy, don't delete, say the person not there. Who they do this thing? Who they do this thing? Honestly, this thing not really good. Nobody when go stay for this life forever, permanently. No. One day, everybody must go. Now, so you just be, you know me say who first go, say no, let that person now you go. No. Not be like that. Everybody must go one day. And so you just be, if person offend you, forgive the person. Not be the one when you will come and you come the tag say the person don't buy, you don't do this one. That one not too good though. It's not too good at all. It's loud. Person when do this man of God, this thing, that person, he jora well. How you go just wake up, you tag person, say the person don't be RIP. Wahala be like bicycle. Wahala not dey finish. Abba. Even people when they talk say they no fit sleep. They too say the thing na true. Say that they go, that they run kiti kata. May they go check whether this thing na true or na false news. Abba. Even me, I go this man of God page. I can't say the page still dey function. Say it still dey post. They say this man not there again. Say this man don't buy. This person when do this thing, you too do. No matter what. Wetin can they happen? You just wake up, you say hand, let you just type, say this person not there, RIP, say the person don't buy, you don't delete, you don't go meet the Papa God. Oh, my people, Prophetess Grace, say, may they pray for Dr. Emeka, no. May they pray for him, say nothing they happen to Omoto Fufeyin children. Say nothing, say they know they buy, say they can never buy. On our here and we are for read and where for they talk and say nothing they happen to, Omoto children, they can never buy, they can never delete like that. Say may families and friends, may they pray for Prophet Emeka or no. This one really loud though. This one shake internet, not be smart, He say this man not there again. He not there again. How this thing they happen? How? I go check, go they wrong. I said no, this thing cannot be truth. Say this thing are false news. Until when this woman come debunk am, say na false news, or say this man they can't pay, say he dey okay, say he head dey okay, nothing happened to this man of God. Say he not be RIP. Not be something no person when really do this thing. He get as he be, no matter what. Say this person get what he do you one-on-one in anywhere. You have to forget. No, not be the one when you will just wake up, you tag and say, they again, you don't be RIP. Even the news shake internet. I say, wait it be this one. So this man not there again. Until I confirm it, say this man not delete, say this man they can't pay, this man, nothing happened to this man. This man, he was okay, they can't pay, nothing, he not delete, he day. This man say he not delete at all. Now I want for live on my country people. Have a nice day. Ciao everyone. Bye.